Hi, I'm Dasha. And this is an animal and we're in hell. As you can see, we've settled in here a little bit in a month. And I'll tell you, it's not so bad here. There are hot baths here. Free massage. By the way, is very relaxing. And all sorts of delicious delicacies. The only thing is, screams at night interfere with sleep. I almost forgot. We found this thing here, even the instructions. It says here you need to collect 5 stones to activate the portal and it looks like this is the only option to get out of here, so let's go in search of these stones. Let's go. Look, animal, this is what we need. Let's. Don't worry, if you take the stone, lines give you a bar of chocolate. I just have one in my backpack. And if it doesn't work out, have to find a new monkey. Well done. It was even easy somehow.
Nom, 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 nom.
Maybe there's something in the backpack that will help us.
Daria and the animal got into a difficult situation. How do you think that will help them?
It seems we were lucky. Congratulations, we are one step closer to getting out of hell. We had an interesting walk today. Write in the comments what you liked the most.